researchers waste hours juggling multiple tools, searching for grants, building presentations, managing references, and organizing files across different platforms. What if everything you needed for your research workflow lived in one intelligent space? With SciSpace, just ask. Find grant opportunities, generate a complete presentation, or even build a research website, and the right skill kicks in automatically. Plus, integrate your favorite apps like Zotero, Mendeley, Notion, GitHub, and OneDrive to manage all your research materials seamlessly. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. To get started, click the link in the video description to access SciSpace's official website. SciSpace is an all-in-one AI-powered research platform designed specifically for researchers and academics. It brings together everything you need in a single platform: paper discovery, literature review, paper analysis, manuscript writing, and citation management. SciSpace offers two powerful AI assistants: the SciSpace Agent, a wide-spectrum AI research assistant capable of handling end-to-end research tasks, and the Biomed Agent, an AI co-scientist tailored specifically for biomedical research. Today, we are going to explore one of SciSpace's most exciting features: agent skills, also known as expert modes. Skills essentially transform the SciSpace Agent into a specialist for specific research tasks. Think of them as expert modes that you can activate inside the agent. Once a skill is activated, it provides deep task-specific knowledge, optimized workflows, and specialized outputs, making your research process significantly more efficient and targeted. Let's begin by using the Skills feature to generate a professional PowerPoint presentation. For this demonstration, I am going to create a presentation on the topic Impact of Global Warming on Human Lives. Once you input your prompt and initiate the process, the agent will begin executing its plan. You will notice the skill loading, specifically the presentation skill, and within just a few seconds, the process begins. You can monitor both the live activity and the outputs in real time. The agent will first generate a structured outline for your slides, which you can review before the final presentation is compiled. Once the process is complete, the final result will appear in the Output section. The PowerPoint presentation is made available in both PDF format and PPTX format. In PDF format, you can preview each slide individually, while in PPTX format, you can download the fully editable file directly to your device. Once the download is complete, you will find a comprehensive, well-structured PowerPoint presentation created by SciSpace. The presentation covers the impact of global warming on human lives, followed by sections on the climate crisis, deadly heat waves, and much more. Each slide is rich with essential, research-backed information. Since SciSpace is a dedicated research tool, it conducts deep academic research and extracts findings from various peer-reviewed papers. The presentation concludes with a complete reference list citing all the studies that support the content of each slide. The result is a stunning, ready-to-share PowerPoint presentation that you can use for any academic, professional, or educational purpose. Similarly, you can use the SciSpace Agent skills to discover relevant research grant opportunities. For example, let's say you want to find all possible grants related to AI and science education. Simply input your prompt and the agent will begin executing its plan, searching through a vast database of academic sources and funding databases to identify grant opportunities. Once the process is complete, you will be presented with a comprehensive report on current grant opportunities. The report begins with an executive summary, followed by key findings, and then lists various grant opportunities in detail. You can go through each one and identify the grants that are most suitable for your specific area of research. This is a powerful way to use SciSpace Agent skills to streamline your grant discovery process. You can also use SciSpace Agent skills to generate a fully functional, research-based website within seconds. Since SciSpace is a research-driven tool, it searches through millions of academic papers and compiles all the necessary information, complete with references, into a well-structured website. For this demonstration, let's create a website on the topic, How COVID-19 Progressed. Once you input your prompt, the agent will begin the process, browsing through relevant academic papers. You can follow the live activity and outputs in real time. Once the process is complete, a detailed website will be generated, covering the progression of COVID-19. Click to open the website in full view, and you will see a comprehensive layout that includes confirmed cases, deaths, major variants, an interactive timeline, key research milestones, and much more. Every piece of information is research-backed and properly referenced. This is how you can generate research-based websites on any topic of interest using SciSpace in just a matter of seconds. But that's not all. SciSpace also allows you to connect your external apps and import your own data directly into the platform for research purposes. Simply click on Connect App to see the list of available integrations. Currently, SciSpace supports OneDrive, GitHub, Notion, Zotero, and Mendeley, with more integrations including Slack coming soon. This means you can connect any of these apps, import your personal research data into SciSpace, and then interact with it alongside millions of academic papers. Let me demonstrate this by connecting my Mendeley account. And note that the process is identical for OneDrive, GitHub, Notion, and other supported apps. Click Connect, sign in with your account credentials, and once your account is successfully connected, you can immediately begin interacting with your personal library of academic papers within SciSpace. For example, let's say I want to get a summary of a specific paper from my Mendeley library. I will copy the title of that paper and paste it into the agent, asking it to summarize the paper from my Mendeley account. Once submitted, the agent will execute the plan, locate the paper, download it, and process it. You can follow the live activity and output in real time. Once complete, you will see a detailed summary of that paper, including the main objectives and scope, key developments in digital technology, mathematics applications for education, and more. This is how you can seamlessly connect your external app data to SciSpace and interact with your own research materials. So, to summarize, SciSpace is an incredibly versatile research platform that you can use for a wide range of purposes, from generating professional PowerPoint presentations and research-based websites to discovering grant opportunities and integrating external apps like Mendeley, Zotero, OneDrive, and more to interact with your academic papers. Go ahead and try SciSpace yourself using the link provided in the description below. You can also use the coupon codes mentioned in the description to get exclusive discounts on both monthly and yearly subscriptions. If you found this content helpful, please leave a comment, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.